boring sao thế mày đấy cái điều có bao mày giờ mày đâu thì là la someone entertainment someone lấy cái lùng ra không tùy sản nào đấy chỉ là pháp tay hồ cái mà sao vậy vàng ấy là hôn cầm ăn là đó cảm điều gì đấy nó dùng mà liệt rằng nào cái xây sao đấy thế là remake Twitter TGLT we executive members being cái là actually yes what cái gì we organizers being leading shit ra mình lấy thùng vàng này thùng lấy đó hiện thao abortion đi xong bằng sắp tắc lên thế nào thùng là drug đi xin này là cái ari stage một cái rằng là cái mà cái thùng này là chỉ nervous cái này nuôi firstly tăng cool cái này là tăng lâu với program cái này là cái này first time thấy là nghe đó mà lấy cái này là cái là yeah ni ông này I'm really satisfied with tăng cools in Delhi you know like is that the caucus sắc thế gì đó riêng phan này cái này là issue host nào vậy cái sao xử lý vô tiêu tây gì cái là gì thế là nervous cái này là giải ban cái nó có chôm lên Ukraine ông là cái là không thà bên cái laser mà thế gì Delhi bạn cái sao rồi mà thế là yang mà là cái là cái mà tham mà thế là tăng lòng làm ta lấy hàng lấy phụng ra chịu đúng liền bia không tha mà mermaid này nhá bia không tha làm không tha modeling agency run sao thế tao không mang là mấy ta sao sắp ra nhưng là thế là ít mùi giặc mai không tha số liệu không tha gì không tha lý sự gì gì vậy hàng ngày rồi nhá là cái atom là mà lấy chuyện đó bắt thật đó tiếng mày cầm tiếng ok nhá không chỉ là boring mà sao cái đó bắt因为mirin we experience now they was like na tum la really sao vậy they was like that they okay and I'm going to be mixing a little bit with English because I think there are a lot of people you know outsiders as well who doesn't know Tamil so I will talk a little bit about my life experience 2014 I came down to Bangalore to study I didn't know anything you know I didn't even know English I didn't know I was blank literally blank and then I came down to do science, maths, electronics, computer science. I even failed in those days, yeah, and I couldn't even continue with my studies. So I started working in sales. I started standing every day, you know, selling clothes to people, and I'm like, this is not my profession. I worked for 6 months, and I decided to start studying again, and I did social work, degree and masters in social work. I finished. Yeah, but then in between, there are a lot of you know struggles and journeys that I go through. You know what happened is during the initial days when I started with college, I was very thin. I'm telling you, I don't look like this at all back then. I was 50 kilos, and people used to make fun of me. People used to laugh at me. People used to call me skeleton. You know what will you do? You're nothing in this world. I mean, like I used to get like a lot of bullies from different kind of people, from our people, from people from Bangalore, or you know anyone. And then that's where I decided to go to the gym. I started working out, and through some of my mentors, I got you know inspired, and I started working out, and you know that's how my journey begins. And then just to let you know that you know this. Fitness, it's a very important thing in our day-to-day life. I just want to let you know that you know like let us all adapt fitness in our day-to-day life. Yeah, fitness is to me. Thang cái gì đó khring lệ, tiếp sang rock sa vai sa se. Là cái phát đi tụm là ari na hàng cái đó số làm tha sa làm tha cái phát vác ba sự chỉnh vai sa thì tụm yang aka cái gì yang chỉ vàng ấy That's a little bit about fitness, and I will talk a little bit about modeling. Since I don't have time, like I have actually prepared a little bit longer, but then since we don't have time, I just want to cut it short. So modeling Tamil now, Greg Chulak kind of we don't have a lot of Tamils who is in the field of modeling or in the field of pageantry and you know and in the field of movies or etc. etc. Like we cannot crack in the whole mainland industry, right? What I would like to suggest is that it's all about self-confidence. You need to build your self-confidence. Naklada confidence build masaka hui feel clear. Because you feel niya. Then I just want you to say, I just want to tell you all to be confident in whatever you do. Yeah, lagatang hang sare ame asalom we story kathala to struggles kathala isumla struggles ragli sayang we're not I'm not from a very wealthy family. My dad, we have I have four elder brothers, and my dad has to take care of all the sons, and then it's been a really long journey for me as well. And my brother, eldest brother, died because of alcohol. That's where I decided not to, get indulged with alcohol or any kind of substance abuse. So, let's also think about ourselves. Yeah? First of all, we should think about ourselves. Second, let's think about our family. Yeah? And the third thing is think about your generation or your community or your friends. I have seen a lot of friends, or I have a lot of friends who has died or who has indulged in this kind of substance, and who got addicted in all this thing. And no, it's not a good thing, not really a good thing. And let's get addicted to good things and not a good thing, and not a bad thing. I should say that I'm addicted to fitness. Yeah? Fitness is addict because without going to the gym, without working out every day, it is really hard for me. It's like a day without eating food. And so let's try to adapt into positive things, and let's do good things in life, so that people can look up to you in the future as well, or you yourself can look up to yourself in the future. All right, so that's it. Let me not continue with this, and thank you so much to each and every one of you for listening calmly and peacefully, even though it's a very boring thing. But thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much, Mr.